This is the last run of the day on Powder Bowl. They're closing it probably at 3:30. And it's kind of, been snowing. It's getting, they call it a blizzard. Who knows if it's a real blizzard. But Powder Bowl and Powder Bowl Run and off of the trees, off the cat track. So we're going to go here. I really don't need the poles, but I got to hold the poles. I got to hold the camera. And we got to go this way, this way, this way, and down back onto the run in a second. Get this one last turn going, and we got it. And we're going to come out right here, slide down and in. Oh yeah, we got it. Hope you could see all that. Okay, the chair is done. We're going to go up Groove or Patsy's, probably Patsy's, and we might run Gun Barrel. I don't know. What do you think? Or we'll take the tram. It's been an unbelievable day. February 28, 2023. Orange Bob was there signing out. Yes, sir. Turn this off, huh?